Hey guys, so today is my first day in Oz, which is just outside of Oslo. For some context, it's Thursday and I'm here for 5 days because I have a workshop with Annie Tarasova from Dreamy Moons on Sunday, which I'm so excited for. Last year, I very randomly and suddenly just got this urge to go to Norway. And then this year, when Annie said she was doing a tour around Europe, I tried to get tickets for London and the dates just didn't work with my exams from uni, and the only dates I could do was the Norway dates. So I took it as a sign and managed to get tickets, which is why I was so excited in my hiking and swimming vlog video and why I was dancing around the beach, because I was so excited. But literally a few weeks ago I was so stressed because I realised I hadn't sorted out any of my travel plans or accommodation or flights or anything. But then luckily everything just came into alignment and now here I am. I'm actually staying in this girl's uni house who I got in touch with through the uni as she's been doing her study abroad year in Norway. She's just left to start volunteering, and so she said that I could stay at her place, which is so nice of her and I'm so grateful. Yesterday I didn't sleep at all. I was so anxious, and this is my first time actually traveling on my own. I travelled with my friends a few times before, but never properly on my own, and I was just so anxious and I felt so sick at the airport. I had to wake up at like 2 in the morning to get to the airport, then had 2 connecting flights and then 2 trains, and then I got here about 5ish last night, I think. In the evening the girl took me around Oslo, which was really nice because it meant I could get like kind of a feel for the city before she left and I was completely on my own. But the city is so beautiful and it feels kind of small for a city. I just love how much nature there is. It really calmed me down. But today I woke up a couple of hours ago and I feel so much better for having like a 10-11 hour sleep. I did a little meditation and had a shower and had some breakfast, which was a protein bar, as I've got no other food, so my only goal for today is to go food shopping. And other than that, I don't really want to put any pressure on myself to explore or do stuff today because I just want to recuperate and charge my battery back up again. So I need to get ready to go to the supermarket, which I'm a bit nervous about. I don't know, I feel like my confidence recently has just dropped, but we'll go get it done and I'm sure it will be fine. I also need to have a bit of a clean up because I just kind of like dumped my bags. It's just a bit of a mess at the moment. I don't think I'm going to properly unpack because I'm only here for like 5 days, but I just need to try and find something to wear from this bag. A lot easier than I thought it was going to be, but I thought I'd do a little haul of what I got. So I got some muesli for breakfast. I then got some salad just for like sandwiches and stuff because I've already got some bread, so I thought like lunch I can have sandwiches. And then for dinner I've already got some like pasta and rice and stuff, so I just got some chopped tomatoes. I'm just going to make like a tomatoey sauce, and then I got some chickpeas just for like protein, a couple onions for the tomato sauce. I got some like vegan spread, some soy milk for my cereal. But yeah, I'm pretty like pleased with what I got. So that came to 145 NOK. That's about like £10–11. So although that's kind of like expensive for what you'd get in the UK, I thought I was going to end up spending a lot more. So pretty pleased with that. So I'm just going to go put like this stuff in the fridge, put some stuff away. I think I'm going to have some lunch because it's 1:30. And then I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I might go for like a walk and do some journaling. But today I just want like a really chill day just to kind of like recuperate after travelling yesterday. So I thought I would just eat my lunch and tell you about what happened on the plane yesterday. So I had 2 connecting flights, and as I was boarding for my second flight in Amsterdam, I saw this woman and I just had this like kind of gut feeling, like a positive one, and then I kind of forget about it, get on the flight, and it turns out she's sat next to me like in the allocated seats, and my gut's telling me like, you need to talk to this woman, like something's good, you need to talk to her. So I was trying to like work up the courage to speak to her and try and think of something to like start the conversation off. And so I just said like, oh, I really like your earrings, and then that kind of like started a conversation. And it turns out she is a professor at university in Native American Studies and also geology. She was going to Norway because she was presenting at this Arctic conference, which is just so cool. And we were just like talking all about kind of conservation stuff and just her life. It was just really, really cool, and she gave me her email, so we're going to stay in touch. And her daughter's an artist, and so she gave me a sticker with her daughter's artwork on it, which is just really, really cool. And it was just really, really nice. It was just from like trusting like my gut feeling. So I'm just gonna like, eat my lunch, and then I think I might go for a walk. There's like some woods nearby, and yeah, just have a chill rest of the day. It's already nearly 2 o'clock, and then just get an early night and then think about what I'm gonna be doing tomorrow. Also need to have a look at trains for my volunteering, and I also still have like my job to do, so I've still got like 10 hours of that to do. But I think I might go into Oslo a couple of days, go to the library. So I'm just journaling. I was a bit peckish. I was like, I'll just try some of my muesli. Oh my god, it is so good. It's just the perfect texture, the perfect flavour, and it's just started to rain outside. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish journaling, and then I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna see if I can FaceTime my best friend later, because I haven't like properly spoke to her on the phone since I've been here, and yeah. So I've had a really chill day. I went for a walk in the end just before dinner. I just went for like half hour around these woods, which was so gorgeous. And I was really glad I went, just like get out the house, because I was just like did work most of the day, and yeah, it was just really beautiful. And I came back, made dinner, got the courage to go up to the kitchen. Now I just been FaceTiming my friend, and I'm about to FaceTime my other best friend. Got these strawberries. I don't know if it's gonna focus. I'm just gonna eat them, and I think I'm just going to have a chill evening and kind of plan out what I'm gonna do tomorrow. I think I'm gonna go into Oslo tomorrow and have a bit of like an explore. I think I'm gonna go to the library because I've still got quite a few hours of work to do. So I've just got ready for bed. I'm just about to put on skin oil. I had dinner and then spent the evening just FaceTiming my friends and organising what I'm going to do tomorrow. So I'm really excited for tomorrow. I'm going to go to the Kon-Tiki Museum and the Norwegian Maritime Museum, which are both got like ships and you can go look at, which I think will be really cool, and I'm going to get the ferry across. So I'm really excited to do that, and then I think in the afternoon I'm going to go to the main library and just do some work. So I'm just going to try and wake up, get a decent time tomorrow and just get up and go. And yeah, so I think I'm just going to FaceTime my boyfriend and go to sleep and be ready for tomorrow.